What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. I just give my thoughts and opinions and we just discuss about it in the comments below. Hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world, and a very happy new year to you. I haven't posted in over a week. I've been back home in Ireland and having a nice break, but now it's back to the grind. 2022 is here, guys, and if you're new, plans for this channel for this year is I'm going to keep it simple. Try and hit 2,000 subs, get a project car, and try and do more vlogging. I'm going to try and get a 4K vlog camera and try and get around the UK to some car meets, some car shows and stuff like that if I can as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, guys, do check out my other videos as well. I do read all your comments, and yeah, just fucking smash the subscribe button and the like button. That would be really nice. Appreciate it. It's always free, guys. You can unsubscribe whenever you want. On today's episode, we're going to be covering Stradman, DD, Washless Media, and a few others. You have to excuse me, guys, if I keep looking to my left. The reason why is because I have not started off 2022 very good. Basically, my laptop screen, probably see it there, is after breaking. It fell and smashed, the screen and stopped working, so now I have it hooked up with a HDMI cable to a screen to my left so I can see my notes about what I'm covering. So that's gonna be like that for a while. I don't know how much it's going to cost me to get it fixed, but it's something I need to get fixed. I will sort that out eventually. But anyway, let's jump into today's video. Enough about that, and we're going to be kicking off 2022's first video today with Stradman. So Stradman, guys, has finished his wide body Liberty Walk 458, and yeah, it came out unbelievable. I absolutely fucking love the color on it. It is a Lamborghini. I can never remember the name of it. It starts with a V, I think. But I can never remember the name of it. I absolutely love it. It's better than him going the wrap, I suppose, but I do love the all titanium chrome purple wrap as well. I think if I get a project car this year, guys, purple will definitely be a colour I will consider going. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Are you sick of him doing purple colours? What you think of the kit? I honestly, guys, I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm not too happy with him going with white wheels. I know it's his combo thing, but me personally, I'm more of I like to see like a polished lip with like a 5-spoke kind of a wheel, maybe gold or even, you know, black would be fine as well. I'm not the biggest white and purple person, but we'll have to wait and see what wheels he picks. It'd be interesting to see how it turns out. He does have this team going, so I'm presuming it's just the way it's going to be, you know, whenever he modifies cars. But yeah, guys, discuss it in the comments below. Please do post a comment. Let me know what you think of Stradman's decision to go wide body, the colour, and with the white wheels on this. Next up is going to be DDE. So DDE, Damon has basically come out. We know they've been making a lot of content over 2021. That is us against the rest of the world. I'm a bit kind of about that title. But obviously the big news is it looks like they're going to be reshaking things up for 2022. He has now put his Porsche Carrera GT up for sale with the guys in Vancouver, SR Auto Group, and yeah, I think it is a good decision. That car is not a car to be modifying, and absolutely, because the way things are at the moment is car prices are crazy. It's a seller's market at the moment. Obviously Damon has seen this. He's been very lucky for when he got in and bought it to where he's selling it now. So he's selling it for 1.4 million. I think if somebody can comment below how much he bought the Carrera GT for, was it around 875,000, maybe 950,000, something like that. So I think he's making nearly $500,000 profit on this car. He's after putting on ceramic brakes on it, the full luggage package and everything to get it sold. I'm presuming he will sell it pretty easily because it is a colour a lot of people look for the Carrera GT in. I'm glad he's selling it. I mean, the problem DDE are going to have, I feel, going forward, they're kind of stuck in a place where you look at it going, if they go and get a hypercar, they can't modify it. If they stick with the Lamborghinis and Ferraris and stuff that other YouTubers are going to have, then you're kind of like going, you just don't know, you know, where they're going to be going. They're going to be able to go with 2022. I mean, I just don't see them buying a car that's worth, a collector's car that's worth over over like over $1 million, that's going to appreciate in value, because you can't really modify it, you know, because you got to take all those mods off if you want to sell it and stuff like that. I suppose you could, but engine wise, I just don't think you can't. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what car should they buy in 2022? Like what hypercar should they buy? Like they have the SVJ now, and they have, you know, the McLarens and stuff like that. So I just don't know if they can go and buy a hypercar and be able to modify it. I mean, it's just something I can't see them doing. If they do, fair dues to them, but it's an interesting one, guys. I'm very intrigued to see how they pan out in 2022. So let me know what you think is going to happen with DD in the comments below. Next up is going to be Washness Media. So Washness Media, you know, guys, I absolutely love these guys, this channel. The cinematography they do for the cars is unbelievable, and they've just done it again. We've seen this car before, the wide body 458, the GT3, but it's just the way they shoot it. Oh my God, they're in Seattle. This was shot in Seattle, and again, guys, links in the description below for any of the videos, but you gotta go check this out. It's just so sick. So here is a very, very quick clip for you guys. And there you have it, guys. What an unbelievable fucking clip. Oh my God. Like, I love 458s, but Jesus Christ, it's just the way these fuckers just able to do the angle shots, the way he gets the music lined up and everything. It's so epic. I mean, I've always said it, I'd love to see Washness Media collab with some of the biggest car YouTubers like TJ Hunt. I know I think he's done DD as well. Stradman, Manny Koshbin. Imagine him doing Manny Koshbin's collection. Like, it'd be fucking unreal. Like, it'd be so good. Seeing Manny Koshbin's carbon fiber P1 done by Washness Media. I think we need to start petitioning Washness Media to go down to Manny Koshbin's compound and start doing some 4K shots, because that would just be some of the most epic thing ever. And somebody did say it looked like something from Forza, like, you know, for a commercial ad for a gaming car ad. Like, it's absolutely nuts what he can do with that camera, and I actually cannot wait to see what these guys produce in 2022. Definitely, guys, if you haven't seen their channel, go and check them out. Highly recommend it. Next up, guys, is going to be Matt Armstrong. Matt Armstrong, you know, I expect massive things from this channel in 2022. I think he's up now to over 305,000 subscribers. He's just been growing massive, like, just getting bigger and bigger. I wouldn't be surprised if he's touching near the 500k mark by the end of the year, just because his content's so good. And even saying that, now he's got his girlfriend in, his partner, and she's after going away and getting a new wrap on her Audi A5 RS, and it is pretty interesting wrap. Not a color I go for, but let me know what you think of it in the comments below. It is a khaki green with the black wheels. I mean, everybody has their own, each of their own colors, guys, and this is what I love seeing when people modify their own cars, especially when it comes to paint and wrap. You know, it's interesting to see how people plan a car together. She went with the khaki green. It does suit it. I do like it. I wouldn't say no to it. It's a very nice car. Not a color I personally pick myself. I'm into my bright colors and my fluorescent colors and my chromes and stuff like that, but I do like my greys. The khaki, I know khaki has just been floating around the last year and a half as a big color coming into the car scene as well. But let me know, would you wrap your car in khaki green? What do you think of the color? What do you think of the wrap on the car? Do you watch Matt Armstrong? And where do you think his channel is going to go in 2022? Are you a big supporter of him? Do you like watching his content? I absolutely love him. He does all the stuff himself, nearly all by himself, and it's just really fun channel to watch, and he does some great giveaways as well. So just so I bring to your attention, guys, do let me know in the comments below. And last up on the list is going to be Flying Wheels. So Flying Wheels, guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, Craig is basically a car dealership in Maine, I think it is, on the east coast of the States. He's basically done a series where he was basically flipping $400 up to Ferrari, and you kind of go through seeing the shit that he fucking goes through with the crap that he gets at auctions, fixing them up, selling them for a profit, flipping up. I think he's up to around $40,000 maybe at the moment. He's been flipping for the last year. But it just shows you the stuff he goes through. Like the TL that he has at the moment, the Acura was an absolute shit. I think he got it for like $1,300. He got a Cherokee, I think it is, for $1,800. So you see what he goes through as a dealer to buy these cars and actually flip them for a profit. Which is absolutely insane. It's such a very interesting series, and all the behind shit that he goes through as well. If you haven't checked out his channel, guys, and want the series to watch, I highly recommend go and check it out. It's very interesting the way he's been moving up through the money. Some of the cars he's after buying, some of the stuff that he's gone through customers and the auctions and stuff like that. It's just a very good series, and he's been doing really well. He's gotten a lot of subscribers over it, and good old channel. I do like it. I will keep up to date with it. I think he said it's going to be another while till he gets to Ferrari, but he hasn't decided which Ferrari he's going to go for, if it's like up to a 458 or just go for a 360. So we'll have to wait and see. Very highly recommend go out and check his channel as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you a million if you have watched the end. As usual, regular subscribers, please do keep smashing that like button and commenting below. Hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think of it, and hopefully, yeah, you'll just keep watching, and you'll be here tomorrow for tomorrow's video. So yeah, guys, I will have a video out tomorrow. We're going to try and get back into the swing of posting regularly, and kick off 2022 with a solid start, and me not being a lazy prick, and getting into things as well, and provide you some good content that you will like, and hopefully it's different for you from other car channels that produce other similar stuff. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.